your Indian consumer. Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vedpathak, your Indian consumer, back with another unboxing and review. And today we are taking a look at this keyboard by Red Dragon, which is known as the Asura. And here you can see some of the details which are mentioned on the box and how the box looks like. This keyboard comes with an 18-month warranty, which is a good thing. This is how the backside of the keyboard will look like. As we know, this is a RGB type of keyboard and it comes with 8 programmable macro keys and some other interesting features as well. You can see the 3600 rupees MRP there, but you can get this keyboard for around 2300 rupees, and the best buy link, like always, will be below in the description. And let's take a look at it closely. So we have the USB jack, which is nicely gold plated. The cable is 6 feet long and it is a braided Kevlar. Red and black colors complement each other, and we had seen a similar cable on the Red Dragon mouse as well. If you want to see that video, you'll get it on the right hand side top corner in the I button. The complete keyboard has a glossy panel, but the buttons have a matte finish, which I've personally liked a lot. In the center you can see a knob which can adjust the brightness of the LED light, and well, it cannot be pressed if you're curious about it. We have really liked the overall design of the keyboard and the placement of the LED lights. This is how the backside of the keyboard will look like. It is completely matte and it even has 2 legs which can be used to give you that angular position while operating your keyboard. So this keyboard is a splash resistant type, so it can take some casual splashes of water, and you can see the holes there from where the water can come out. But yeah, of course it is not a waterproof type, and so you cannot soak it. For the record, this keyboard being the RGB type, it comes with 7 color LED lights. So here you can see all the different colors it comes with, and the key which can turn on or off the colors and even switch between them. So this is the knob which I had shown you earlier. It can be used to reduce the intensity of the light, as you see there. So this is also an interesting feature. Now let's take a look at the buttons. So firstly, we have this button here which can lock or unlock the Windows key. So this button is really helpful while you're gaming, because we tend to accidentally press that key and come out of our games. That is really frustrating. The next key allows us to switch between the ASDW keys and the arrow keys. So again, this can be helpful for the gamers. This key here gives you 2 speed options for the input of letters. And finally, the key to record multiple functions using the macro button. So this is how you should set the macro button. So first, as you saw, I pressed the record key and then I pressed the G5 button. You can see the changes in the LED light. It has started flickering quickly, and now I'm pressing Ctrl plus A, that is select all, and then I'll again press the record button and it will save the command. So that is how you can set a macro key for a particular function. As you see there, I've pressed it and it has performed the select all option. So these 8 keys can come really handy, especially for gamers who want to do those combo moves. So yeah, I just gave you a super tip. I generally use the macro keys for cut, copy, paste, select all, and such multiple useful options. Finally, if I have to sum it up, I'll say that if you're looking for an RGB keyboard and if you have a budget of around 2500 rupees, then this keyboard is definitely an option which deserves your attention. If I have to give it a total rating based on the functionality, the colors, the build quality, the warranty it offers, and the price tag, I'll definitely give it a 8 out of 10. Well, that was my take on this keyboard. If you have liked my video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you have not liked it, don't be shy to dislike it. And if you were watching my video for the first time, do hop onto my channel, check out what I do. I make videos on all Indian consumer goods and services. So if you like what I'm doing and if you want me to keep making more videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and be a part of the Indian consumer family. Well, for now, that's it from mine. Do remember to serve before you swipe, and if you don't need, you don't buy. This was Prasad Vedpathak, your Indian consumer, signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.